It's the Cobry Cafetiere of cloud knowledge. Oh yeah.
What GCP does on a very, very high level is it allows us to deliver more solutions to our clients and deliver a wider range of solutions and cloud solutions to our clients. There's kind of four main pillars of cloud tech. One of them is infrastructure. So that's computers running in the cloud somewhere. That could be just like a virtual machine, like just a computer that does things. It could be a database. That's all infrastructure. Secondly, you have data. So, data analytics is a huge thing in business, especially in larger businesses. GCP does that really, really well. Then we have application development. So a lot of organizations nowadays have an app. GCP does that also really, really well, app modernization. And then lastly, on a very, very high level, how do we organize all this tech? How do we know as a business what to use, what to do, how to do it, what technology to use? And that's kind of the more operations side of things.
We care about GCP because our goal is to help any business that wants to work with us to become more efficient and collaborative using the best and latest cloud technology. We can broaden that solution by adding GCP.
You can choose where to store your data, or you can even store it in multiple places if you want your app to be as fast and snappy as possible. Then you're going to want to deploy it to as many locations as possible so that people connect to the nearest location to them.
Google have kind of like pre-packaged a lot of the standard use cases for cloud in a managed service. So let's say I need a little bit of machine learning, right? Traditionally, the way you'd do this is you'd hire a machine learning engineer, and over 2 years, you're going to build a machine learning model. With Google, that machine learning model comes pre-packaged within a GCP service that you could just plonk on top of your data, and Google just does it for you. It's super easy to deploy, super fast to scale, and you don't need to hire a whole team to manage your cloud infrastructure. And it's really, really friendly for developers as well, because at the end of the day, the people actually deploying these cloud things are going to be, developers or people with a technical mindset. And Google makes it really, really easy for developers to get started on GCP.